What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna go down to Dollar Tree, get like two things, two or three, four, I don't really know. Just gonna get some stuff. Hopefully it's gonna be, pretty good stuff. Mess with my little brothers, and I might get squirt guns. I don't know, let's see. I don't think I'm supposed to be back here. Okay, so I'm at a Dollar Tree. All I got were these like sunglasses. I don't know if they look dope or not. I haven't tried them on. And I got these Pop Rocks. I'm gonna fit them all into my mouth at one time. Yeah. Let's see how these sunglasses look on me. Dope. Psych. These things are like 90 cents. You sit on them, they will literally break in two. They don't even cover your eyes. Like, I can see everything. Terrible shade. What is going on, guys? So I'm back from Dollar Tree. I got these Poppets. It's literally just like a big rock. I'm gonna eat them all at the exact same time. Alright, ready, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, that's it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys for watching. As always, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.